Hello and Namaskar viewers, I am Sanjeev Pandya welcoming you to another episode of the Tax Time Show. As you know by now that this is the show brings you all the latest and the greatest that you need to know regarding taxes, personal taxes or corporate taxes. But besides taxes, we also get you a lot more insight information related to taxes and how it can help you, whatnot. But lately we've been getting a lot of information about PPP and the EIDL, and this is all to courtesy of Mr. AJ Kumar of Sai CPS Services, and he is with us live in the studio after such a long time. Welcome to the studio.
Thank you, Sanjeev.
Welcome, and it's good to have you.
It's my pleasure.
Busy man, he's been so busy since last couple of months, finally took time out to be here, and things are getting slowly by slowly normal.
Yes, it's the new normal.
In the state, exactly, new normal. State of New Jersey and New York a little bit, and some states are opening up slowly by slowly.
Absolutely.
Anyway, Mr. AJ Kumar, we are here, and I just want viewers to know that every week we're going to have a fresh episode. We're going to have a new episode every week for a longer period of time right here on your favorite TV channel, TV Asia. And in that, during that period, every week we're going to have very interesting information from Mr. AJ Kumar regarding IRS and then taxes and then what's happening, that could affect your PPP, EIDL, small businesses. We're going to get as much information possible from Mr. AJ Kumar. So my point is that do not miss any show. It's going to be very, very interesting every single week right here on TV Asia, same place, same time. Ajay ji, this novel coronavirus is going to be with us for a long period of time.
It seems like that, Sanjeev ji. You are right.
It's going to be around us, and we should be prepared. If anybody out there is not prepared mentally, I think they are fooling themselves.
Well, that's true. They are being naive about it.
Yeah, exactly. So it's going to be here. Now it's going to affect everything. It's going to, obviously, it has started to affect our life, the way we live, and then the way we're going to be living going forward. From social distancing to certain thing to be careful. I mean, I could go on and on and on. My point is businesses are going to be affected. Small businesses going to be affected. Jobs going to be affected. People going to be losing jobs, and then but tax liability is going to be there no matter what. Taxes are going to be there.
Absolutely. If you are making money, you have to pay taxes. Corona or no corona, we have to start finding ways to live with corona.
Exactly.
It's a new normal. Corona is there. A lot of things have moved to online. Retail space is going to suffer. That's the new normal. That's the new reality for tomorrow.
Yes.
So we have to plan accordingly.
But you know what? During that, they say there's always a silver lining into something.
Absolutely.
And I believe that there is always an opportunity in every single adversity.
You're 100% right.
And it may take little time to gain that part or to benefit yourself from it, but it's going to be there. What's your take on the retailers who are filing for bankruptcies left and right? Hertz filed for bankruptcy, JCPenney filed for bankruptcy, a couple of the retailers filing for bankruptcy, and there may be many more to come?
Absolutely, you're 100% right. And what we know, what we see in the news is only Hertz and JCPenney.
Yes.
As a CPA, we see a lot of small businesses who will not be able to survive after coronavirus. They were neck to neck. They were barely surviving before coronavirus. A lot of these small businesses were counting summer to come so they can start making some money. They can start meeting the ends.
Absolutely.
Now, because of the coronavirus, a lot of people are not going out. People are not ordering food, let alone going out and sitting out and eating over there. A lot of smaller restaurants, a lot of smaller bakery stores, the travel agent, they are the real small businesses suffering from this new normal, from this new reality. So a lot of small businesses are filing bankruptcy as well, not just the JCPenney and the Hertz, the billion-dollar corporations.
Yes. Yeah. So this is going to be around us.
Absolutely.
Now, in this episode, we'll go step by step. In each segment of viewers, there is going to be a very interesting information. Whether you are a personal tax filer, or you are a corporate tax filer, something is definitely going to relevant to you, and then you're going to find it very interesting. As we're going to discuss from states, taxes, and what if you file for bankruptcy. what you could gain out of that, what you cannot gain out of that. We're going to be talking about that as well. So I want viewers to know is sit tight. Let's take a break.
Absolutely.
As they are settling down, and when we come back after this messages, get ready to note down a lot of information that's going to be very helpful to you. But before that, viewers, make a note of our email ID, which is texttime@tvasiausa.com. Should you have any question anytime, send us an email. Mr. AJ Kumar will definitely answer that question. texttime@tvasiausa.com. With that note, a short break and many more coming your way after the break in this Text Time episode.